Want to automate your communications and streamline your business, all while making your life way easier? Let's get into how to set up Retell AI. The first thing to do is head over to the Retell AI website and sign up for an account with your email address and create a password or sign in through Google. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Retell AI dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything. Now, let's link up any of our existing platforms. Navigate to the integration section. Here, you can connect Retell AI to your phone system, your CRM, or any other necessary platforms. This integration allows Retell AI to receive and make calls, access customer data, and ultimately, automate your communication workflow. Now for some of the fun stuff: customizing your AI agents. Here, you'll set their name, their personality, and the script they will use when speaking to customers. Define the goals of each agent, like appointment scheduling or answering fax, so they know what to do in different scenarios. With your initial setup complete, it's time to optimize your settings. Explore features such as call forwarding, voicemail configurations, and other options to tailor the platform to your needs. You can also set up call logs or monitor your agent's performance. By following these steps, you can unlock the full potential of Retell AI, streamlining your communication and boosting your productivity. Get ready to automate and optimize.